my friend Stephanie Bernard at the Stamps of Life, and I have an exciting announcement. Guess what? We are now releasing a new color. It will not have inks and it will not have the pens or anything like that, but it is called Vanilla. It is an ivory, and it also has, we have ivory envelopes. So you can buy ivory envelopes and ivory cardstock. And I know it's kind of hard to see on camera. So I've grabbed a white white envelope, and here's the ivory, and you can see the difference. We've had a lot of people asking us for ivory. Now we're gonna start sneaking in some of these ivory envelopes once in a while to your kit clubs, just to add a little spice to your life. Vanilla always makes everything taste better. So here is our white powdered sugar, here is our vanilla. These are both gonna be available on our website, which is really exciting. Now I have some limited edition items to share with you. Once they're gone, they're gone. So if you're watching this video and you're like, oh, I want to go get that kit. If you don't see it, that means it's gone, okay? Are you ready? And I will tell you, I am so proud of Ken. What happened was, now I know most of you know that our Diet Coke machine is in our garage now. When we moved, we had to put it in the garage. And I went to the garage to get Diet Coke, and I see Ken packaging. He's standing at the table, he's got his music blaring in the garage, and he's packing stuff. And I go, what are you doing? This is a true story. And I go, what are you doing? And he goes, I'm making embellishment kits. And I'm like, oh, well, let me look at it, because nobody shares these things with me, and it's okay, it's okay. So he shares with me that he has tangerine and banana seam binding, which you know we all love our seam binding. We have banana and tangerine brads, and we have banana twine and banana and white twine. And I go, ooh, I like that kit. I go, oh, did Faylene put that together? And he goes, no. I said, well, who put it together? I did. And I said, Kenny, you put this kit together yourself. You went on all the shelves in the warehouse, and you picked 6 items to go together and make this kit. And he goes, yeah. I said, good job. I know this is funny, but I was so proud of him. Look, it's one of my favorite embellishment kits. I'm like, Kenny, I want one of those. I honestly said that. So we're calling it I think I called it the Sunshine Embellishment Kits. Again, once it's gone forever. But you have to pick up Ken's favorite little kit that he made. Aren't you proud of him? He even packed, Kenny, didn't you pack all of these yourself? He even packed every single one himself. He put every single package of these together himself in our garage. What? He did not lick the envelope. Okay, I want you to know he did not lick this. It was sticky, so he did not lick it. Don't worry, you're safe. But go check this out and go buy him fast, because it'll make Ken feel good that you guys liked his color combo, which it is. It's a ray of sunshine. Okay. Now we also have some extra thanks so much pads. Again, once they're gone forever. This was our hibiscus club set, and it's one of my faves. Thanks so much, and it has a lot of fun. You can die cut these, so if you need extra die to die cut. Sunglasses, which are fun, die cut, gorgeous. So go check that one out. And we literally have a handful of these. This is gonna go the fastest. This was our card kit club from August of 18. What happened was, Ken started cleaning the warehouse, and it's starting to look actually pretty decent. And he found a couple card kits, and he's like, oh, well, these are extra, so we'll just put them on the website. Once they're gone forever. If you're not in the card kit, or you missed this one, maybe you joined later, grab it now, because again, once it's gone, it's gone. Ooh, I remember this one. So this one was called the Great Day Collection, and the colors in this one were banana, cranberry sky, artichoke, blueberry, kiwi, chocolate, and ginger snap. I'm gonna go really quick, because this one's it's gonna be gone really fast. But look at the fun colors on this one. Isn't that gorgeous? I know. So this one's like a fallish, great day. Isn't that cute? You're gonna love this one. It has a lot of the animals, the barn, things like that. So grab it. It also has these fun flowers, these fun epoxy puffy stickers, the words Great Day, a stamp set. It has some ribbon, it has twine, it has a storage envelope, cardstock, little cute wood barns. Grab it quick, okay? Once it's gone forever. Now, club members, of course, you get the club discounts on all of these products. Make sure you go check out that embellishment kit by Ken, because, you know, it's really, really special. And if you ever needed ivory, We got you covered. It's called vanilla. Thank you so much, and I'll see you at the website. Bye-bye.